Hi Stampers, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc. I am calling this week a little bit festive week because I'm going to be sharing with you 20 cards made with the A Little Bit Festive paper pack. Now, I do have a class for this and it features 20 cards and all of the materials are included for your cards as well as a PDF tutorial. The only stipulation here is I am going to put the link to purchase the class in the description, but once these sell out, I won't be able to offer it anymore. So this really is a limited time, and if you want this, be sure to get in on it right away. So in my class packet, I wanted to show you exactly what you can expect to get. So you're going to get a full pack of the A Little Bit Festive mix and match paper. And I'm going to just show you mine. I'm working through it and as I'm showing you things, but it comes with these die cut pages. And then you also get 3 sheets of double-sided designer series paper. It doesn't look like, oh, there's the third one. It has the red pattern on it. So again, I've been working through this and this is what I'm going to be doing my demonstrations on. So I can't really show you the full effect, but you get 3 die cut sheets and 3 pieces of double-sided paper. And so it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to show you my 4 favorite cards today. But you get a full pack of that. And then you're also going to get all of the envelopes that you're going to be needing. So I've already included those. And if you didn't know this, they did increase the price of envelopes this year, so they are a little bit more expensive. I'm also giving you a sheet of dimensionals because you'll want to use those on some of your projects. All of your cardstock is pre-cut. I did not score it so that you can score it as you like, but I'll show you my favorite way in a little bit. You're going to get half a package of the Joyful Sayings, and so those are included also. And then you're also going to get some of the gold dipped mix and match envelopes. So I did do 3 cards with those, and I'll be sharing those with you tomorrow. So I'm going to set these aside. We're going to use some of these and these. So let's get all of that out of the way. And I'm just going to demonstrate for you my 4 favorite cards. So the first one, and again, in your instructions, it's going to be real simple. So it's going to tell you you need your basic white card base and you need a pool party cardstock. So we've got those 2 to start. And I would recommend that you have a bone folder just so that it's easy to score these. But I'm just going to go ahead and line that up really good, side to side, and give that a nice score. Okay. And then I can go ahead and put my cardstock on there. So I recommend you either use the multi-purpose glue if you want to use the liquid glue or some seal for this. Either one will work, okay? But whatever adhesive you prefer, you will need to provide that. So I'm just going to put this on here like so. And I've cut those so that they do have just a little bit of a border on that. All right. And then we need some of our die cuts. So let me grab those. And again, this comes in that paper pack. So I'm going to create a little snowy scene here. I'm just going to put some glue there. Again, super easy. There we go. We're going to get that on there nicely. And then I've got this really cute little truck die cut. I'm going to put it on with some dimensionals. And again, you really don't need hardly any supplies for this. I am including most of what you need. A bone folder, maybe a paper trimmer. You can probably even make do without. I'm going to put that there. And then I'm going to look through my greetings. And I've got one here that says peace and joy to you and yours. I'm going to use that one. And feel free to mix and match these if you don't like the ones that I used. But we're going to put a little bit of adhesive on there. And I'm just going to put this here at the top. And we have our first card done. So just a really cute, very simple, and something you can really make in minutes. All right, so our next one, we're going to need very vanilla for our card base. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that in half. And normally I do score these for you, but honestly, I've had so many people purchase this class, there's absolutely no way I'm going to be able to get that done. I just, being honest with you here. All right, and then I need a garden green card layer. So you're going to have, it's going to say card base, card layer. So we're going to put the garden green on there. Now, if you don't want to use the liquid glue, you could always use Stamp and Seal. Like I said, really whatever you prefer. If you like a lot of dimension on your cards, you could even pop this up with dimensionals. So that would be fine too. We're just going to put that right there. And then on one of the die cut sheets, you get these little cards too. So they're already cut down. You just punch them out. That's all there is to it. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. So that's our next layer. Okay. And then I'm going to punch out this Noel here. And just trying to be gentle with it so it doesn't tear. And they punch out pretty easily, so I don't want to scare you on that one. Okay, and what I'm going to do is put it right here, but I want to use some dimensionals for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my dimensionals in half. So I'm just going to kind of go right up like this and just cut some of those in half. And that way they'll fit on that nicely. So you don't have to cover it with dimensionals, but just get a little bit of everywhere, and just, you don't want them to really show. So the best way to do that is just cut your dimensionals in half, or if you've got many dimensionals, that works really well too. And I'm gonna put this one right down there. Oh, this one still has the backing on it, so let's get that off. And we're just gonna put it right here on that center, so it pops up. And there is card number 2. So again, just very, very simple. All right, so card number 3, I need a red card base here. I'm gonna go ahead and fold that in half again. And if you have any questions about the class, or if you like these cards, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you've got any suggestions, I always get some of those as well. You're also going to need a white card layer. So we're going to put that on there. I'll go ahead and get that placed on. All right, and I should have, let me see if I can find it here. Okay, yep, here it is. Okay, so this comes in a really long strip on your die cut sheet, and I just cut it down to fit there. And so I'm gonna put that right across. Now I also have another card on my blog right now that was made using these. And that one is a free tutorial when you subscribe to my newsletter. So I'm gonna put this little sleigh on there with the little gifts. I think that's just too cute. And we're just gonna pop it up with some dimensionals. There's this one. And then let me look through my greetings, because I want one that says just for you. And I'm gonna put it, you can put it either place. I think on my other one I did it the opposite, but again, there is not a wrong way to do these. And we'll just put this little just for you up there. And there is card number 3. And then for our last and final card, I need a pool party card base. I'll go ahead and give that a fold. All right, and I need a real red card layer. So I'm gonna put that on there. And this one is so easy. So this would be even a perfect project. Like if you're looking for something to do the day after Christmas, this would be a great thing to do with kids, to get some greeting cards done. I mean, anybody can make these cards. You could even get grandma on these cards. All right, And then we're going to take this, and this is like this little tree one here. It's just one that you punch out, so you don't have to do any cutting here. And we're going to put that right there. And then we just want to look through, and there's this one that says Holly Jolly. Let's see if we can punch it out. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. Just going to take a little glue. We have got the cutest little cookie card. So there you have it. This is the first 4 cards in my A Little Bit Festive class. And again, I'm going to make this available at least through the end of this week or until supplies run out. So that's really the only sticking point. It's $42, and again, it includes everything you need to make 20 cards with your envelopes. Your only thing you need to provide is possibly a bone folder, a paper trimmer, and some adhesive. So again, I hope you'll join me for this class, and I'll be sharing some more of the cards from this class on Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.